Okay, so what's going on, guys? So today I will show you the types of wavelengths in light. So there are many types of wavelengths in light, but the most used wavelengths are the two wavelengths that is called the longest wavelengths and the shortest wavelength. So, example, I will draw a land over here. There's a house. It's a house, ta-da. And a line in the middle, a line. Okay, so another line, go back, and there's another house in here too. Another land in another house. But um, the first wavelength is up here. We have the longest wavelength. There we go. Second here is the shortest wavelength. Really shortest wavelength. So up here, as you can see, it has this is the low. This is the let's go again. This is called wavelength, and this is the longest, and this is the shortest. So the longest is the wind moves slowly. That's why the wind in this house is really, I mean, not really, it's hot because the wind moves slowly because it has the longest wavelength. But in this house, in this area over here, you can see the wavelength is shorter. So that means that the wavelength is shorter, the wind goes fast. That's why it is windy in here. So that is we called the two the two specific wavelength of the light. So let's go to okay. So I have here a new page, and we are going to the vector field right now to see what is really the wavelength are. So say let's say okay the word here. Let's say over here. So example. This is the Earth. This is the Earth. That's the Earth. Okay, not perfect. Earth. Earth. And then the Earth, we have wavelength that is called visible and invisible. So this is the let's just say this is the visible wavelength. This is a visible wavelength. That's a visible wavelength that travels to Earth. Just put it to because there's so many visible wavelength. And then in the other layers, let's call the invisible wavelength. Oh god, this is the invisible wavelength. Invisible wavelength that we cannot see while it travels down the world to the Earth. So it has. Wait, let's go to another page. So wavelengths has 7 groups. The one that I like showed you was the one that I showed you, this one was called the visible wavelength. So that is part of the seven groups of wavelength. So there are seven types of wavelength, and okay, guys. So the first wavelength is called radio. Radio, guys. It's called radio. Radio. Radios like buildings and humans. Second is we called microwave. A microwave. Microwave. Because microwave has light, and the radio, it has the the biggest, the radio, the microwave has the longest wavelength, but its light is small. Example. I'm sorry, guys. This is this is this is this. I just like show you later. Okay, the one that I showed you. This is the wavelength. The wind is going really slow, and the second wavelength is really very fast. The wind, just call it fast, and the wind goes really fast to its destination. But if we go to the second set, there are seven types. The first type is called radio. The second is microwave. The third is infrared. Infrared. The second. The third is visible. The fifth is ultraviolet. The sixth is X-ray, and the last is gamma rays. Show you example. This is what a radio wavelength, a microwave wavelength, infrared wavelength, visible wavelength, ultraviolet wavelength, X-ray wavelength, and the gamma rays wavelength. This is wait, this is the radio, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, and the gamma rays. These are all types of. This is the seven friends of light. The X-ray actually calls atoms, like smaller and like that. Another one here, there. You can even see atoms. I'll give you 100,000 if you find an atom staring there. And then for the gamma rays, it is called the atomic nuclear. Like all of them, like all 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 the kids are combined. That's why it makes big explosion. If you were in high school, grade 8th, you will learn this. I think you will learn this in grade 6th about nuclear bombs, gamma rays, how it works. So that's all it for the video. That's all it for the video. Thank you and subscribe. Bye, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.